is a hot 90-degree day here on Gagne Farms, and it is harvest number 2 of our awesome lettuce. So I thought I'd show you real quick the process that I'm doing here today. So we've got lettuce in the sink, and I am on our last round here. This has been rinsed, but we like to rinse it as much as possible. Get anything out of there that might be in there. Then we bring it over here to our spinner. This works fabulous. You just put this lid on. Give it a good arm workout. Spin, 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 spin. Spins all the water out of it. Really quick, really easy. Getting a little crazy with the spinner. Then we bring it over here to our cutting board. And we have this nifty chopper, and we use that to chop and mix all the wonderful kinds of lettuce that we have. We've got Salanova, red, green, butter, spinach, everything, all the good stuff. And then in the bowl it goes, and look what we've got. Anyone hungry for salad? Catch you on the next one.